In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable margin trading on Kraken Pro. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So first of all, what you need to do is go to your profile right here and then go to the settings. Then once you are here, you need to scroll down right here because we need to check if your account is eligible to trade on margin, because this might depend on your country and maybe you will need an extra verification. So as you can see, mine is fine, so I can start using margin trading, but you should check if it's enabled on your region or maybe if you need to do the verification. So once you have checked that, all you need to do is go to trade, then go right here and search for the pair you want to trade. So there are some that don't have the margin trading enabled, but if you want to make sure, you can click right here and this should filter by markets that will let you trade on margin. So let's choose, for example, Solana. Just click right here and you will see the option of margin trading. So you can enable it right here and you will see the new balance available to trade, and this way you can, as you can see, you have the option to buy the coin with the margin. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.